I want to address knee pain. And I want to share with you an exercise that we did every morning. We called these recovery exercises. And they were recovery exercises because we were coming out of meditation. And in meditation, it's a complete practice of stillness. In stillness, you accumulate stagnation. So this is the exercise that we did after meditation every day, coming into movement from stillness. So not just hopping up, getting up from meditation, from a seated position, but getting into the body and stretching it and moving it and massaging it and then moving. So that's key. I would say that would be something to write down, to a take home point, a takeaway, if you will. Before getting out of a still position, seated, lying down, move before you move, okay? Move in small increments, in little circular ways. I'm doing my leg. Before you move, before you get up, because you're going from stillness to moving. So this is, I would say, a Tai Chi approach, because from one position to another, how many movements are there within those 2 points? Does that make sense? So for example, me sitting up to standing. Okay. I might know that my knees or my ankles are in pain. Before I get up, I work them and I say, okay guys, I'm about to get up and I just want to make sure you are prepared. So that's one little technique there. But what I really wanted to share with you was the complete massage and stimulation of the bones that we did. So I'm going to go do that. I'm going to do that for you. So the first thing I'd like you to do is think about the hands and think about our instincts whenever we hurt something, experience pain. We want to give someone else comfort. We want to comfort someone. We use our hands in this way to communicate and convey empathy, caring, love. So, in this sense, I give a lot of weight, and I think we all should, to the power of the hands. And if you think about it, the hands have power to do many things, to give life or to take life. You know, I study martial arts, so our practice requires that we think about these things. So the first thing I'd like you to think about is rubbing vigorously, giving energy and giving care to this area. So you're rubbing the hands until they get warm, until this area gets warm. And what I do actually too is I engage my torso. I move my body so that my body moves the arms, so it's relaxing to the body as well, the torso, the lower back, and the shoulders. But I'm rubbing my hands vigorously here. And if you listen to my breath, you can tell, like, my lungs are working because my body's working. The next thing we do is scratch. We scratch vigorously. And the idea here is stimulation. You're stimulating the area Rubbing, you're stimulating the surface. Scratching, you're getting deeper. And now you're tapping. Tapping is getting deeper and even vibrating the bones. So you can hear how much energy I'm putting into this. And you got to think about it, because I mean, you look at it and you say, oh, well, that's easy. Now, I did this every day in training, and this was something that I banked on in order to heal and prepare my knees for the day. So the last thing that we do is rub. We rub again. And rub comes, stimulates the surface. So once we do rub, we lead down the legs. Lead down the legs. We always want to lead down and out the extremities. So I'm leading down the foot. All right, that's it. Rewind it, watch it again, do it again. Do this about 3 times, I'd say. So there you have it. That is a self-massage technique for the knees. The idea is to stimulate the joint and bring blood flow. More blood flow equals cell replacement. Cell replacement is restorative to the tissues in the joint. Synovial fluid, cartilage, bones, and removing, waste, which is also removing stagnation. So that's just one technique for the joints there. If you like that, let me know. If you are interested in hearing more about that, the knees and the joints, and keeping them loose, healthy, and functional, then let me know. Subscribe, comment below, and let me know if you want a video. I can send you a link to a video of how we keep the joints loose, all the way from the hands, wrists, elbows, shoulders, to the hips, knees, and ankles. It's about a 10 to 15 minute exercise routine on how we keep the joints loose and healthy and relaxed. So that's it for the knees. And like I said, let me know what you think.